Take a ride in the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.